Hello, second graders. Last time we learned about some methods for two-digit addition. Two-digit addition is when you're adding numbers that have two digits in them, like the number 53 has two digits. It has a 5 and a 3. 53 plus 39 would be two-digit addition, okay? Remember, we learned that when we write them in the vertical form, it is much easier to see what's happening in our problem. So, today we're going to learn a different method of how we could do two-digit addition. And this might be the method that makes the most sense to you. If it is, it's probably the method that you'll use for a while, continuing while we go through two-digit addition, okay? So let's look at page 111. It says to solve and make a proof drawing. Okay, so what we're going to do as proof drawing is the method that we're using today. So just follow along with me on these first couple and you'll have everything you need. For the last couple, I want you to do it the same way that we did it all together, okay? Just so that I make sure that I know you understand how to do this, okay? Mr. Green orders 25 jars of grape jelly and 48 jars of strawberry jelly. How many jars of jelly does he order? So we want to know all of this together. Now, I'm going to show all my totals. This is called the show all totals method. So I'm showing all of my totals. I'm first going to do my totals of my tens. So if I just look at my tens, I have the same thing as 20 plus 40. And if I did 20 plus 40, I would get 60. So down here, I just write 60. But I'm not done yet because that's only my tens. I also have to do my ones, all right? And if I do my ones, I have 5 plus 8, which is the same as 13, so then I'd have 13 over here, okay? So 20 plus 40 is 60, 5 plus 8 is 13, so I end up with 25 plus 48 is the same as 60 plus 13, which is easier to add because 0 plus 3 is 3, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So my answer is 73 jars. Okay, that's how the show all total method works. It shows the totals of your tens and the total of your ones and then adds those totals together. And that makes it a little easier for some people's brains, okay? If it doesn't make it easier for your brain, that's okay. But today I still want you to use this method, okay? Let's do one more together using the show all totals method. All right, we have number 2. On Monday, Mrs. Green orders 65 pounds of bananas. On Thursday, she orders 29 more pounds of bananas. How many pounds of bananas does she order all together? I'm still doing the show all totals method, but I'm going to do a little bit more of it in my head. If you would like to write it out, that's totally fine. But I'm just going to think out loud and I'm going to tell you what's happening in my brain. I have 6 tens and 2 tens. And 6 tens plus 2 tens is 8 tens, which is the same as 80. Okay? And then I'm going to do my ones. I have 5 ones plus 9 ones. And 5 ones plus 9 ones is 14 ones. So I have my tens, I have my ones, I'm going to add them together. 0 plus 4 is 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. So I have 94 pounds of bananas. And I'm just going to write 94 pounds, and that's fine if you do the same. Okay, I want you to go ahead and do the rest of page 111 on your own, and I want you to use the show all totals method. And then I want you to do page 112, and it is back to 2-step word problems, okay? So finish page 111 and do page 112 on your own.